Hey friends, it's Sam from Sam Munoz Consulting, your favorite WordPress developer and creator of the epic Effortless website kits. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you the magic of the schedule send option in Gmail. Now make sure you check out all of our other tutorials on Gmail and Google and G Suite on the effortlesswebkits.com website. This option is perfect for you if you find yourself answering emails outside of your business hours, so you can maintain boundaries with your clients and, of course, not let your customers think you're going to be responding to them at all hours of the night. So the schedule send button will be your lifesaver. Luckily, this feature is built right into Gmail and it is super simple. You can use it either when composing a new email like we're going to do in this tutorial or when you are replying to one. So all you do is type up your email as you would any other time. Just give a sample. You have to make sure you have a recipient, otherwise this won't work. I love you, Sam. And now here's the thing. Instead of just going and clicking send like you normally would, you click this little caret where it says more send options and click schedule send. This gives you a couple default options for easy scheduling, or you can select a specific date and time by clicking pick date and time. So I'm just going to choose tomorrow morning, but I'll show you guys if I picked a date and time, I can choose any day in the future. In the future, of course, can't go back in time and send emails, as well as the time here. So I will click tomorrow. Once your email is scheduled, it can be found under the Scheduled tab within Gmail. So you go ahead and click on Scheduled, and then all of your scheduled emails will show up right here. You can always unschedule it if, say, you make a mistake or the email no longer applies by clicking into the email, clicking on Cancel Send over here, and then your email still is retained, which is awesome. And you can add anything you want to, and then reschedule it for sending. And then it'll show up there again. And that is how you use the schedule send feature in Gmail. I am telling you guys, it will change the way you run your business by being able to respond to emails when you want to, but having the recipients receive them when it's within your business hours.